I want to give you 4 inherent truths about money that I think will really help you moving forward, finishing out this year and moving into next year. For those who don't know me, I am Stephanie Sinclair, neurometaphysicist, and many people call me Dr. Stephanie. And I help people just like you take the spiritual and the science and bring them together to create a life that you absolutely love. I founded the School of Quantum Living, which helps you learn to live in the quantum realm and create and manifest all that you ever dreamt of. And I love to come forward like this and make beautiful videos helping you get your ish together. So today I want to share with you 4 truths that I truly believe many people struggle with for a multitude of reasons. But I want to just break down all those beliefs, break down those walls that you have that's blocking you from your money. Okay. All right. Number 1 is you are inherently worthy. Now, I am talking about money here. But the truth is, this is for everything. You don't have to jump through any hoops. You don't have to be super smart. You don't have to be special. You don't have to be anointed. You don't have to be any of those things. You are inherently worthy of all good things in life. Again, I'm putting it towards money, but this is true about everything. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of abundance. You are worthy of happiness. You are worthy of health. You are worthy of every single thing on this earth that's available to anyone. You are worthy. And I truly believe, especially in this day and time of social media and coaches and so many people saying all these things that need to happen for you to be worthy, I think that there is a lost message there, and this belief that there needs to be some reason or something special about you to make you worthy. I truly believe you're worthy of anything that you deeply desire. Okay. So that's number 1. Number 2 is I deeply believe abundance is your birthright. Specifically, if you believe in the abundance of the universe, if you believe in God, if you believe in source, if you believe in Hashem, if you believe whatever you call Elohim, whatever you call God or that higher power in your life, abundance is your birthright. There are many scriptures and passages to back that up. But when you really start moving through the world as, because I'm here, because I'm in this world where everything is plentiful, there is not a lack of anything. Resources are always available. It's your birthright to be abundant in all things. It is your birthright. And I need you to step in and really adopt that as your truth. As long as you don't believe it, it's not your truth. But as soon as the moment you decide that my words to you are true for you, you are going to notice your life change. Okay. Number 3, your current position in life, financial position in life, is created by design. Now, this one is a little bit hard for a lot of people because just as much as you are worthy and just as much as you have a birthright to be abundant, if you are not, it's by design, meaning it's by design of your subconscious. Everything that we have and we experience on this earth, in whatever plane we are physically in, is a direct result of our belief systems. It's a direct result of what has been programmed in our subconscious. Now, just a really quick situation. I'm going to do another full training. I've done several, but I'm going to do another full training soon about this. Subconscious is programmed 2 main ways, with a third to back it up. First way is epigenetics. Your thoughts and your beliefs aren't even yours. They come from your ancestors. It literally runs through your bloodstream. So it's not even yours. That's number 1. Number 2, it comes from 7 months gestation to 7 years old. Everything that you hear literally programs and imprints in as truth. Your brain is not asking why. Your brain is not saying, well, this happened because of this, so this isn't true for me. This was a situation. All you know is that you saw lack, you went without, or you saw violence, or this is how you experience love, or whatever it is, whatever you saw during that time became your truth. And then number 3, which follows up or backs those up, that tends to be all the things that have happened since 7 that further backs up and supports epigenetics and 7 months gestation to 7 years old, right? So it's by design. The way you're acting, the way you think about money, the way you feel about money, the way you move with money, the way everything you even think is possible for you. And I always say for you, because sometimes we think things are possible for other people and not necessarily for us. The way you think about what's possible for you all comes from that design, the imprinted design in your subconscious. Ultimately, it's not even your fault. I hate the word fault in general, but ultimately, it's not even your fault. Ultimately, it is your imprinted subconscious design. And until you begin to do work to shift that, that's the beauty of the brain. It's placid, right? So you can open it, you can close it, you can give it new beliefs, you can shift things until you do the work to do that, which takes time, which is what most people seem to not have. But this is always my thing. You're going to live anyway. You'll be alive in a year, hopefully, prayerfully, knock on wood. You'll be alive in a year. You have time, baby. You have time. And you're either going to spend the next year really supporting and digging in and imprinting even more of those beliefs, or you're going to spend the next year filling in the imprints and imprinting a new belief in so you can have another experience in life. Most people choose the first one because it's easier. People are inherently lazy. The world has made us lazy. Social media has made us lazy. We just expect the things, right? The work has to be done. So ultimately, you have to recognize that it's by design, and you have to be conscious and intentional in the reprogram, okay? And last but not least, understand that money is energy, just like everything's energy. Your computer or your phone that you're watching me on, energy. You, energy. Money, energy. All of it is energy. We call people into us with energy. We push them away with our energy. We also call in money. Energy is attracted to like energy. So the energy of lack is attracted to the energy of lack. So if you're experiencing lack of anything, even if it's you just don't have enough of or what you truly desire, you may be doing well. Most of my clients, let's be clear, I'm not cheap, right? So most of my clients have really good lifestyles already. They have great jobs. They likely already have a 6-figure salary. They have great careers, and they're just looking to up level. They're in great relationships, or they're in relationships they want to be better, right? But the reality is what they're getting matches their energy. If they want more, they have to inherently shift. And what most people want to do is like fake energy. They want to turn on music and get excited. They want to go to church and get excited. They want all the inspiration. But that actually is very temporary, which is why even if you do that for a period of time and can manage to attract things in, you don't keep them. Because ultimately, this ties back into number 3. Your imprint literally overrides everything. So you can fake the funk, but with that imprint, your energy is your energy. And money might not like you. Money might not want to sit by you. Money might not want to be in your space because your energy might be that of lack. And how could it be there with you? How could more come be with you? Vibrating where you are today. So I recently made a short on Instagram, a reel, where I talked about making decisions in that future version of you. It's even hard to do when all you do is sit in what is in the physical 3D of today. It is kind of difficult. So I want you to keep in mind, though, that all money is a reflection. All your bank account is a reflection. All the stress around money is a reflection. Allow all these things to be mirrors to you. and say, if this does not match what I truly desire, fully, it's about me, my imprint, my subconscious imprint, and my energy. And thus, I need to do the work to change that. For those of you here who are entrepreneurs and you are really looking to shift this, I do have a program, Elite, that I am doing onboarding for right now. Just go to my website, theschoolofquantumliving.com. Click on Elite. You'll see all the details. And also, if you are in Ohio, anywhere in Ohio, this weekend and I usually don't date these videos, but I want to share with you. This weekend on Saturday, the 2nd, I will be hosting an event, or I will be speaking at an event. A friend of mine, Sharice B., who is a stylist, she is hosting it, and I will be bringing to you Ready for More in Ohio. It's going to be completely different from the Ready for More that I did in Atlanta. This will be interview style. This will be very approachable. It's going to be amazing. All right. If you're ready for more in 2024, you want to be in the place. Head to the same website, theschoolofquantumliving.com. Click on Ready for More, and you can grab your tickets. They're $50. And then you'll see Elite that's there too. It's an 8-week program with me. Onboarding starts now. We start in a few weeks. If you're ready to make 100K your minimum, that's the program for you. Okay. Not the live event. That's the program for you. Literally creating $1 million plus in 2024. Thank you guys for listening. It's been a while. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be talking to you. And make sure you follow me on Instagram because you would have seen me active over there. Toodles.